Round-shaped cake pans, ideal for baking classic 2-layer cakes and more. Includes 2 cake pans made of heavyweight alloy steel for durable, even heating and uniform browning. Non-stick coating ensures effortless food release. Integrated side handles for easy lifting and transporting when wearing oven mitts. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Washing by hand recommended. Part of the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Carbon Steel Bakeware Collection. Product dimensions, 9 by 9 inches, LXW, interior. Top reviews from the United States. Made the best cakes ever with these. I usually hate baking because my cakes, no matter how much I oil the pan, get stuck and crumble on the pan liner. These did not. I made a great pineapple upside down cake, my first ever, and those babies slid right out the pan no problem. I didn't even have to scrub the pans after, just splashed some and did an easy wipe and wash. I'd highly recommend this product.